Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix loan applications with Bank of America, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing your loan application with Bank of America, gather all necessary documents. This includes your identification, income statements, and credit history. Next, review the initial loan application thoroughly. Look for any mistakes or missing information that could affect the approval process. If you find errors, make a list of corrections needed. Contact Bank of America's customer service for guidance on amending your application. Be prepared to provide your application number and personal details for verification. Ask the representative about the specific issues with your application. Take notes during the call for reference later. After gaining clarity, update your application with accurate information. Ensure all financial documents are current and correctly reflect your situation. If additional documents are required, gather and submit them promptly. You may need to revisit your credit report. Look for discrepancies that could be negatively impacting your score. If necessary, resolve any issues with the credit bureaus. Once your application is updated, resubmit it through the Bank of America online portal or via email. Follow any additional instructions provided by the bank carefully. Keep an eye on your email for correspondence related to your application. Be proactive in checking the status of your application. If your application is denied, request a detailed explanation for the decision. Use that information to improve future applications. Consider consulting a financial advisor if you face ongoing difficulties. With patience and attention to detail, you can navigate the loan application process successfully. Remember to maintain open communication with Bank of America throughout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.